About a question about how to protect an unregistered trademark and goodwill. As you know, this is your platform where you pose your legal question in relation to English law and I provide the answer. A potential client said to me that another business is operating under a name identical to his business unregistered, recognized brand name. So the question for me is this: what can be done to stop this business to use this brand? Before I answer the question, I think it's a good idea to provide a brief explanation of intellectual property law. It's an area of law that protects creations of the mind, such as inventions, brands, designs, and creative works, by granting owners exclusive rights to stop others from using them. Back to the question. As your brand is not registered, I will be looking at the law of passing off, which is a common law action that can be used to protect unregistered trademark rights in the United Kingdom. Passing off occurs when one business misrepresents its goods or services as those of another, deliberately or unintentionally. This area of law seeks to protect the goodwill a business has developed, to prevent confusion in the marketplace, and safeguard established brands from unfair competition. To have a prospect of successfully establishing passing off and receive judgment from the court to stop the other business from using your brand, you must satisfy three key elements, which are goodwill, misrepresentation, and damage. Let me deal with goodwill first. This is often described as the benefit and advantage of the good name, reputation, and connection of a business. You must prove that you have an established reputation or goodwill in your business name, which sets you apart from other competitors in the market. The second test to establish is misrepresentation, meaning you must show that the business which has used your name or similar has misrepresented their mark or feature as those of yours. And this has led or is likely to lead to confusion, deception, or misleading the public. The third and final test to satisfy is damage. You will need to provide evidence that you suffered or likely to suffer actual or potential damage to your goodwill. As you can see, it is important to have evidence of the negative impact the alleged infringers' actions are having on your business. The information provided is for guidance only. You should always seek your own tailored, independent advice in connection to your specific legal matter. This is a complex area of law which requires a deep understanding of your business, your customers, and geographical market. If you have any further questions in connection to this area of law, please contact me via this medium.